Welcome back. Vegetarian is easy and delicious. The salad is delightfully crisp and refreshing. One big bowl just isn't satisfying enough.
Jicama salad has a crisp and juicy texture, with a mild sweetness and nutty aroma. It crunches with every bite, offering a refreshing sweetness that's perfect for summer. Got Jicama at home? Whip up a refreshing salad that's effortless and digestibly light. Ingredient: Jicama, red apples, green apples, celery, corn kernels. Peeling celery and removing its fibrous strings makes it crisper and more tender. Trimmed celery tastes sweeter and smoother, perfect for salads or raw snacks. Just one extra step transforms celery from tough to delightfully crunchy. Dicing celery into small pieces for salad gives it a finer texture and makes it more enjoyable to eat. Celery cubes mixed with other veggies create a refreshing crunch and layered flavor in every bite. Small celery pieces absorb dressings better, ensuring even flavor distribution for a tastier salad. Peeling jicama with a vegetable peeler is quicker and easier. Since jicama's skin is tough, a peeler works better than peeling by hand. Jicama has various regional names, such as liangshu, dw gu, or dushu in Chinese. In English, it's commonly called jicama, but in Mexico, it's also known as Mexican potato. Diced jicama adds a refreshing crunch and natural sweetness to salads. Jicama cubes elevate the salad's texture with every crisp bite. Peel and cubes apples. If not peeling, wash apples thoroughly to remove the wax coating. Soak and scrub with warm water and baking soda for easy removal. Alternatively, gently rub the skin with salt before rinsing under running water. Diced apples add a delightful crunch and natural sweetness to salads. Green apples bring tangy crispness, while red ones offer juicy sweetness. Mixing both creates a flavor explosion. When coated with dressing, the apple cubes balance sweet and tart flavors in every bite. Peeled apples offer a tender texture and absorb dressings more easily. Unpeeled apples add extra crunch and fiber, boosting nutritional value. Your choice: peel for smoothness or keep the skin for texture. Red apples are rich in anthocyanins, offering strong antioxidant benefits to help combat aging. Green apples have higher acidity, aiding digestion. Perfect as a palate cleanser or appetizer. Red apples contain more natural sugars for quick energy, while green apples are lower in calories. In TCM, red apples are warm-natured, green ones cooling. Pick based on your body needs. The tartness of green apples comes from malic acid, the same compound used to flavor sour candies. Unripe green apples were once used as natural toothpaste in medieval Europe. Chewing them gave a quick teeth-cleaning fix. Chuck the sliced fruit in a bowl, splash on your go-to dressing, and boom, ready to eat. Grab a bottle of sesame dressing from the store. Its zesty, nutty taste will keep you coming back for more. The dressing's perfect balance of acidity and toasted sesame makes salads irresistibly craveable. When is the best time to have salad? Eating salad 30 minutes before lunch, dinner boosts satiety and prevents overeating. Ideal for hot afternoons or post-workout. It replenishes hydration and vitamins effortlessly. For sensitive stomachs, opt for lunchtime to avoid digestive discomfort from raw veggies. Celery is high in fiber and vitamin K, aiding digestion and supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Green apples provide malic acid for digestion, while red apples offer anthocyanins for antioxidant benefits. Jicama is low-calorie and hydrating, packed with vitamin C for skin brightening and cooling effects. Sweet corn contains lutein for eye health, plus fiber to keep you full longer. A sesame dressing adds calcium, making this salad a powerhouse of nutrients.
Are salads a good food choice for the elderly?
Seniors can benefit from salads in moderation, but opt for easily digestible ingredients, for example, tender greens, cooked root vegetables. Avoid raw, crunchy items. Blanching softens fibers for gentler digestion. Add warming ingredients: pumpkin, chicken and dressings, ginger vinegar, sesame to counter coolness. For those with dental concerns, finely chop or blend ingredients, for example, avocado dressing. For diabetics, limit sugary fruits, mango and dressings. Use lemon juice for flavor instead. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sour. Jicama for ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism, such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism, may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.